Hey, what's up, guys? So, I want to share another success story with you guys. So, this success story is from one of our clients who bought our money bundle. And this client shared with me yesterday that he generated 1 million for his business. He generated 1 million for his business, and he only bought our money bundle. It wasn't a one on one coaching client. 1 million for his business. So I'm going to share with you how he did that because I also want you to generate 1 million or more for your business as well. So in my money bundle, I have a lot of, meditations, courses, and ebooks as well. As you can see, I'll just put it there. Um, so then I spoke to this client yesterday and I said, okay, what meditation have you used? And he shared with me, he used Become a Millionaire meditation. Now, in this meditation, I guide you to manifest a million or more. And how I do it, I obviously put you into a meditative state. And then I guide you to count $1 million, rands, euros, whatever your currency is. I guide you to count until a million. And then afterwards, once you see all the money in your imagination, I then guide you to deposit that money in your bank account because we have to make sure that that money goes to you. Otherwise, you'll go about your day and you'll see someone else counting money. So you have to make sure that you always do it in first person, right? So he shared with me, yeah, he's like, Gabriel, I was just doing the meditation. I was laying in my bed. I was counting the money, just like you said. And then boom, he generated 1 million for his business. And then that actually made me think about myself because in 2020, I made over a million every single month that year. I made 1 million rand, 1.5 million rand, 1.7 million rand every single month. And then I remembered I did the exact same meditation for like, I think about, say, 3 weeks or so, or a month, the same meditation. And 2020 was a big year. I mean, 2020, I manifested my beautiful wife, and now I've been married, for how long? Like, it seems like so long. It seems so long, but it's just so amazing, just filled with bliss. It's the best thing that could have ever happened to me. And listen, if it can happen to me, it can happen to you as well. So, anyway, let's get back to how you can generate a million as well. So, as I was saying that, I was like, doing this meditation, and I decided, let me share this meditation with everyone so that they can also start, generating, millions as well. So, this client just reminded me of my success in 2020 as well. So, all you need to do this evening is literally before you sleep, I want you to count to a million. And then I want you to deposit that money in your bank account. Remember, your imagination is the prime reality. So, in other words, your imagination is the real reality. So, what you're seeing right now, the 3D is only a copy of your imagination. So, everything first happens in your imagination, right? So, when you count money, when you count $1 million or €1 million or $1 million, your imagination sees you as doing the real thing. Because remember, your brain, your subconscious mind cannot distinguish whether it's imagined or real. It actually thinks that you're doing the real thing, right? So that's what I want you to do. When you're in bed, I want you to count to a million, deposit that money in your bank account. Or if you want my help, you can actually purchase our money bundle. So I'm going to give you 60% off our money bundle. And the price is going to go back to its regular price soon. So make sure you act fast. I'll give you 60% of our money bundle. Now, in our money bundle, there's different meditations. There's even meditations on how to win the lottery jackpot as well. We also have clients who won the lottery jackpot as well with this particular meditation. You have different, you have my ebook as well on how to become a master at manifesting. Now, in this ebook, I show you and I teach you and I demonstrate on how you can become a master at manifesting and how you can test manifesting, whether it's woo or it's the real deal. So I show you practical steps, and it's a short book, no fluff, straight to the point. You'll finish this book in 1 hour, right? So in this money bundle, as you can see here, we have like my book, meditations, we have courses as well, and you can all do these things self-paced. You can do it at your own pace, and you have email coaching as well. So if you have any questions, you just email me, I'll then answer. Okay. So as I said that this money bundle, I'm giving you 60% off for a limited time. And but obviously, if you want to do it on your own, like I said, it's easy. All you do, you just, before you go to sleep, you count to 1 million, you deposit that money in your bank account, and watch what happens. I mean, like, I've generated over 1 million every single month in 2020. And we know that what happened in 2020, the world was a little bit chaotic, right? And this client also generated 1 million in his business as well. You know what I mean? Because you have to understand, circumstances do not matter. So even though you are struggling right now, but if you go in your imagination and you imagine that you are now wealthy and abundant, guess what? You're going to become wealthy and abundant, because your imagination is the only real reality. Your imagination is prime reality. The 3D is only a copy of your imagination. So your imagination is the factory. Everything happens here first. So I believe in you. Give it a try. Or if you need my help, just purchase the money bundle and I will guide you throughout. Not only to become a millionaire, win the lottery, but also to become wealthy and abundant. So this money bundle contains everything that you need. It literally has everything that you need, and it equips you to be wealthy and abundant, because wealth and abundance is your birthright. Let me repeat that. Wealth and abundance is your birthright. So for those that are going to purchase the money bundle, I will see you inside. And like I said, you get email coaching, free email coaching from me as well. So if you have any questions, you basically just shoot an email and then I'll answer you. Awesome stuff. Keep smiling, and I'll catch you in the next one.